Hello, good morning. Good morning to all.
Morning, sir.
A very good morning. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Ira.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sure. Good morning. Good morning to all.
Good
Very
morning.
good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning. So, yeah. So, shall we start the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, now today we will learn. Just a second, let me open my PDF. Okay. So, yesterday we did factorization. Okay. But I believe there won't be any doubt because you guys are not asking any doubt.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes. Good. Please ask me.
Yeah, 1 minute, sir. So, page number 115,
Mhm.
the fourth question.
Number fourth question. A square. This one?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let me
Square
write it
into
down.
C minus C minus, okay, plus B into C minus B.
Just give me a second. Yeah, this is a question. Okay. So now in this question, basically, it's very easy. Why it's very easy? See, it's written as C minus B. Okay. If I will take out minus sign as a common, so remember this thing, guys. It is also one of the trick, or we can say fact, that if I will take out minus sign as a common in this, so the minus will become plus and the plus will become minus. How? It's gonna be like this: a square b minus c, which is remain same. Now plus b is there, but I am taking minus sign as a common. So the plus will become minus and the minus will become plus, like this. Did you understand? Yes or no? I'm repeating again. Here, what I did, I know that it's B minus C, it's C minus B. Both are little bit same, just the signs are different. So what I did, I take out minus sign as a common, and when I will take minus sign as a common, so the plus term will become minus, and the minus term will become plus. Did you understand? No. Okay. Again, I'm repeating again. I know that it is B minus C. It is C minus B. Both are similarly. They both are same. Okay. So what I did, I take out minus sign as a common. When I take minus sign as a common, so the minus term become plus and the plus term become minus. Understood? Now this plus and this minus will multiply, so it became minus. So it's gonna be like this: B minus C minus B into B minus C, like that. Did you understand? Yes or no? Now from this and from this, what is common? B minus C is common. So I will take out B minus C as common. What is the mean behind? A square minus B. So I take out the factor. Understood, Jashram? Simeon? Yes, sir. Begin.
Yes,
I was
sir.
I was wondering if like we can take three factors, B minus C, C minus B and A square plus B. Will that be correct?
Uh, if you're getting factors by any means, then same factors like the factor which I got. So it will be correct. But if we are not getting any factors and it just became complicated, and complicated means that you're not at right track.
Okay.
Okay?
I have few more doubts now.
Please. Ira, are you doing homework?
Yes, sir.
All questions, everything is done?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have any doubt?
Sir, I don't know. I think I did half the questions wrong, but I'm just seeing.
Yeah, you can check. You can check the answers from the textbook, na?
There
Yeah,
are
you are doing wrong or right. You can check if the answer is not that which is in the answer
Yeah.
book. Then you can do it again.
okay, sir. I'll start checking.
Yeah,
So
check it. Yes, Joshua, please,
I have doubt on the fifth question. The
please. Fifth question. You have fifth question done. Yeah, I'll do this. 2a into 4x minus y cube minus b into 4x minus y square. Okay, so Joshua, you tell me this is the first term and this is the second term. What is common between them?
4x minus y.
Yeah, and what is the minimum power?
The 4x minus y whole square.
Whole square. So I will take out 4x minus y whole square as a common. Now what is remain behind, Joshua, from the first term?
4x minus y.
4x minus y, yes, and only 4x minus y.
Whole,
Say loudly.
whole cube.
No. From the whole cube, like 3 is there. Now 2 is the maximum power, na? Like minimum power, na? So it is out. So out of 3, 2 is out. What is remaining behind? Only 1. So the power will be 1. Okay? And also what is remain behind? 2a, because 2a is not there. Understood? Okay. And from the second term, what is common? What is remain behind?
B. Is it?
Yeah, b. So this is the answer. You can further multiply it to solve it. Simple. Okay. Yes, Abigail.
Understood, sir.
You said you have more
You're
doubts.
asking me what? Yeah, the 10th question.
Okay. You have 10th question now. Okay, everyone. It's a big question. So everyone, please do the 10th question with me. I'm writing the 10th question in the on the board. Okay.
B plus C whole square. Square.
Please do it with me. This is the answer. Edric, you also got the same answer? Edric, can you hear me?
Explain it, sir.
Say it again. He's saying something. Begin.
Yeah, sir. I asked whether you could explain it.
Yeah, I'll explain it. I'll explain. Edric, you got the answer, Edric? Yes or no? Edric, can you hear me?
No, sir, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Wow. Okay. Simeon, you got it?
Yes.
Okay. So now listen, guys. What I did, first of all, I opened the bracket. Okay. So what I did, now this is a plus b whole square. Na? So it means that a square square, which is a to the power 4. Understood? Means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I wrote it like a square square, which is a4, b square, which is bc square, b square c square, plus 2ab means 2 into a, which is a square, into b, which is bc. Did you understand, guys? Ira, did you understand, guys? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
same. I open this bracket. I solve this bracket also like b square plus c square plus 2bc. Why? Because it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So I just wrote it down the identity. Understood, Joshua? Sam? Nitya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this minus a square will multiply with all the trinomial term. Means three terms are there, na? So this minus a square will multiply all the term. So remember this thing, minus a square, we are multiplying it. It means that the minus in the term will become plus and the plus will become minus. So everything is plus, so everyone is become minus. So minus a square b square, minus a square c square, minus 2a square bc. Did you understand, guys? Abigail, Edric,
Yes, sir.
did you understand? Now plus 2a square bc and minus 2a square bc, they will become
Yes, sir.
0
Understood.
because they have the same. Understood? Yes or no? Ira, Joshua, did you understand, beta?
Sir, can you
Okay.
explain it again?
Which part, beta?
The top part I didn't get. The
This
opening,
one?
the opening of brackets.
This one? This one? Which one? This one or this one?
This one. A
This?
square. Yeah.
Okay. So basically, what I did, it is in the form of x plus y whole square. Now, what is the identity of that?
Um, x plus y x minus y.
No, x plus y whole square, I'm saying. What is the identity of that? You have to remember the identity I told you, no?
Yeah.
X plus y whole square. Betya, what is the identity?
I forgot. I had it remembered till yesterday. Out of my mind. Wait. X plus y. X plus
Or
a.
a plus b whole square, whatever you see.
Oh, that is a plus b. A square plus b square plus 2ab.
Yeah, same as that only. I just change the variable. Okay, so it basically a square means x square plus y square plus 2ab, 2xy. Yes or no? So where x is equals to what? A square and b is equals to what? BC. Did you understand, Joshua? And then I just open the bracket like that. Did you understand, Joshua? No. Ask me one more time.
Understood.
Hmm? In the same way, I just open it bracket like that. And this minus a square will multiply with all the terms inside the bracket. Okay? Yes or no? After this, plus 2a square bc and minus 2a square bc will omitted, become 0. Okay, Ira? Okay. Now, This minus a square c square will go on the second term, and the second term will become 4. Basically, this step is called as regrouping. Okay, this step is called as regrouping. Why I did regrouping, guys? See, if you will check first and the second term, there is no common between them. Is there any common between them, guys? Shimien? No common, na?
Yeah. No.
So what I did, I changed the position of second position into the fourth position with the sign. Important thing, with the sign. Guys, did you understand? Like I took the second position b square c square to the fourth position, and the fourth position come to the second position with the sign. Simple as this is called as regrouping. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Now when I regroup it, so I got there is a common between them, which is a square. Did you understand, guys? Abigail?
Yes, sir, I understood, sir.
Okay. So I took out a square as a common. Now a to the power 4. A to the power 4 become a square, and this a square is also out, so remain behind c square. So it's become a square minus c square. Understood? And from this minus b square is come out. So whenever you are taking minus sign as a common, so the minus term will become plus and the plus term will become minus. So minus a square is b square is out, so it becomes plus a square. The same way, plus c square is there, it becomes minus c square. Remaining behind a square minus c square, a square minus b square. Now a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. A square minus c square is a plus c, a minus c. So this is the answer. Did you understand, Jashran? Simeon? No.
Yes, sir.
Jashran didn't understand anything. Ask me. But yeah. Yeah, Jashran.
Sir, how did you get 2a squared bc at the top?
This
How
thing.
did some 2a brackets at yeah, 2a squared bc?
Can you say it again? Yeah, your network. Say it again, please.
How did you get 2a squared bc in brackets? How did you get 2bc?
This one? This one you're saying?
Yes, sir.
See, okay. So we'll open this bracket in front of you only. So it is like this, okay? Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Now what is a? A is equals to a square. What is b? B is equals to bc. Now what is the property of that? Just on. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Did you understand? Now I will put the values into this. So it will become a square was already there, and this square will also come, so it become a square square plus b is equals to bc, so it's become bc square plus 2 into a is basically a square and b is equals to bc. It will become a4 b square c square plus 2a square bc, like this 2.
Okay, sir, thank you to that. But what about the other one?
Inner one, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is b plus c whole square? Now what is the identity of that? Same in the form of a plus b, na? This b plus c whole square is also in the form of a plus b. Okay, so where a is equals to b and c is equals to b. Okay, so it become a b square plus c square plus 2bc. Did you understand this thing? Yes. Now this a square was already there. I just multiplied this, making a square b square, a square c square minus 2a square b. Why minus sign came? Because inside the bracket every term is plus and we are multiplying it with minus. When we are multiplying it with minus, so the plus will become minus. Okay? Yes, Edric.
Sir,
Yes.
okay. So, wait. So wait. Wait. So how did you get 2a square BC?
2a square BC. This thing or this one?
But there you got plus 2abc minus 2abc. So that means
Which one? Which part you're saying, buddy? This one or this one?
second one.
Second one, no? This one, no? See, this is minus a square, no? Can you see that minus a square at me?
Minus a square is there. And
Okay,
one
this minus a square,
minus 2a square bc.
yeah, minus 2a square BC. Okay, so this is plus 2a square BC. This is minus 2a square BC, which is become 0 because plus 2 and minus 2 is 0. Understood, guys? No. Edric, did you understand, beta? No.
Yes, I understood.
Jeshran, Joshua, Sam, done? Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes,
So I
sir.
have
Oh.
a question.
Yeah, who's say? Yeah, Ira, please.
So like now it's like it's minus a squared, right? Like if it was plus a square, we wouldn't have to open the brackets.
No, we have to open the bracket, but the sign will not change. If
Okay.
it is, for example, if it is plus a square, na, so we will open the bracket. Okay, bracket should be open. But this minus sign will not be there, it becomes plus. Because if plus is multiplying, then there will be no change in sign. But when we are multiplying with minus, so the minus will become plus and the plus will become minus. Like that.
Okay, sir.
Understood, guys? No, still some have doubt. Please ask me, guys.
Sir,
Yes, Abigail.
but like the textbook is giving a different answer, so
Yeah,
that
please
means the
tell me.
textbook is wrong.
No, please tell me.
The textbook answer?
Hmm.
Yeah, 1 minute. The textbook's answer is a square plus bc plus ab plus ac, and then within bracket a square plus bc minus ab minus ac.
Let me check. Where is the question? 4.3.
Sir, like I almost got that answer through another method, but I had squares in the AC and AB, so that's why I asked you.
Okay. I wrote the correct answer question. No?
I just multiplied a square within the bracket of BC, B plus C whole square.
Will you able to do that? I think my answer is correct.
Okay, sir.
I don't think so. There's, I think it's correct. I'm not finding any problem in that.
Okay, sir. I had doubts in the 11th one also.
Eleven.
Yeah.
Okay, I will do this question. Okay. And we love that.
Ma'am, is question 11 also a doubt?
Yes.
So, sir,
Yes.
it will be 5x minus 1 plus 6y into 5x minus 1 minus 6y.
Yes.
6y the
Correct.
yes, it should be 6y the whole square.
Yes.
Easy question. B square and b square equal to a plus b into a minus b.
Sir, what's the answer to a cube minus b cube?
A cube minus b cube equal to a a minus b the whole a minus b the whole cube plus a
Yeah,
b
I like the property. A cube minus B cube can be written as A
a minus
minus
b
B
whole cube
into A square plus B square plus A. This is the property.
that means a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus AB plus B square.
Yes, correct. Okay, now listen, guys. What I did in this, see, I can I write 5 as 5, 25 as 5 square? Okay. Can I write 25 as 5 square, guys?
Uh,
Yeah. So I wrote 25 as 5 square. Okay. Now, 1 square is basically 1. So I wrote 1 square. So it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So if I will compare it, so where a is equals to 5x and b is equals to 1. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Okay. So a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. But did you understand? No.
yes.
Ask me, guys. Guys, ask me if you didn't understand, please.
No, I got it till here.
I understood.
Okay, so I wrote 5. Yes, please, Joshua.
Can you explain it again?
See, 25 can be written as 5 square. Yes, Joshua.
Yeah.
X square is already there. So it becomes 5 square x square. Yes. Minus 10x is already there. And I wrote 1 is equals to 1 square because 1 square is 1. So it means that it is in the form of 5x whole square minus 10x minus 1 square. Means a square plus b square minus 2ab. Did you understand, Joshua?
Yeah.
So if I will compare it, a is equals to 5x, b is equals to 1. Did you understand, Joshua?
Yes.
Okay, so it will become a minus b whole square minus 36y square. So a minus b means 5x minus 1 whole square because a is equals to 5, b is equals to 1. So it becomes 5x minus 1 whole square minus 36y square. Now 36 can be written as 6 square. So 6 square y square was already there. So if I will take out common power, so it becomes 5x minus 1 whole square minus 6y whole square. It is in the form of now a square minus b square, where a is equals to 5x minus 1, b is equals to 6y. So what is the property of that? A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So what is a? A is equals to 5x minus 1 minus 6y and 5x minus 1 plus 6y, which is a minus b, a minus 1. Did you understand?
Why is there 5x minus 1 minus 6y?
Because a minus b is there. So a is 5x minus 1 minus b is 6y. So I wrote 5x minus 1 minus 6y. I just use the property to solve it. Abigail, did you understand?
Yes, sir, I understood, sir.
The way you got stuck, Twitter.
So I took 36y square as b, and then I added and subtracted 60xy, and then after that I didn't know what to do.
Okay,
So
next.
that's it. Yeah, next question 17, sir. That's the final. No, that's not the final. After that, 20, and then done.
Okay, everyone, are you writing this? Betya, are you doing homework or not?
I am.
Okay. Ira, you're doing
I
homework?
need a little more time.
Yes, sir, I sent it in the group also.
Okay.
Some questions
Yeah,
I'm
so
not
you,
getting.
yeah, so you have to ask me question like Abigail is asking.
Okay,
Abigail
so
is
I'll
not
note it
representative
down
of
and then
yours.
I'll
Yeah.
ask.
Okay. Okay. Next is question number 17. A square. A8. Sorry. Mhm. Mhm. Everyone do this. I think in this we have to do adding steps like this. So mm, we can do like this. This is the question. Answer it. Okay, guys, listen. This is also one of the important question. Now, everyone, please listen. Pens down. Pens down. Please listen to me. Okay, guys. So now this is the question: A8 minus 47 A4 plus 1. Okay. Now in this question, I did a step. Okay, why I did a step? See, guys, I'm seeing that 47 is a number, okay, which is like it's not a perfect square. It's not, nothing is there. Okay, so what I did, I add plus 2a4 and minus 2a4. Why I did this? Because I know that I can split this power as a4 to the power square like this. Okay, and this is one which is b square. So b square, basically one square is basically one, so we can consider it as a b square. So a square is there plus b square is there. I need plus 2ab. So plus 2 into a, which is a to the power 4, into b, which is 1. So 2ab will come like that. Understood, guys? Yes, Jashan, please ask me. Yes.
Sir, it's 47a power 4.
Sorry?
It says 47a power 4, not 49 power 4.
Yeah. I'll come to that. Till then, did you understand this part? What I did?
No, can you explain it again?
I'll explain it again. Please listen. Please listen. This is an important question. Okay. First step I did adding and subtracting 2a to the power 4. Why I did this? Because I know that this is a to the power 8. So if a to the power 8 is there, so can I split it into 4 into 2? Can I split it into 4 into 2? It becomes a4 has the power of 2 plus 1. 1 is basically b square. So if I will compare it, I got that a is equals to 4, b is equals to 1. But I don't have 2ab. So what I did, I add 2 into a to the power 4 into b, which is 1. So I just did like this, adding and subtracting 2 to the power a to the power 4. Why? So that I can get a square plus b square plus 2ab. Did you understand? Everyone? Jasron, Petya, Ira, Joshua, Sam. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab will become a plus b whole square, where a is equals to a to the power 4 and b is equals to 1. Now, listen guys. Now this is minus 2 a to the power 4 and minus 47 a to the power 4. They are the like terms. If they are the like terms, then you can add it because they are the same sign, so we will add it. So it becomes minus 49 a to the power 4. Did you understand this one? No. This one didn't understand anything.
But sir, it's 47a power 4. How did it become 49 power 4?
See na? 47 a to the power 4 and minus 2 a to the power 4. Are they like terms or not?
Yes.
If they are like terms, we can add it. So that's why I add it. And why I add it? Because they are the same sign. And if same sign is there, we have to add it.
But then won't it become plus 49 to the power 4?
No. The sign will be same. Sign will come as 49, sorry, minus. But they normally add it. Okay, the sign will come. Whatever the sign they are using. Okay, like for example, minus 2, minus 5 is basically minus 7. We are normally adding it, but the sign, what is the repetition sign is there, we have to write it that sign. So if minus sign is there, so I'll write minus sign. Did you understand, Edric?
Yes,
No.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, please.
look, why like there two a 4 and then a plus 2a4?
Yeah, so that I can get the property of this a square plus b square, because b square basically 1 square is 1. So I'll write answer like b square plus 2 into a into b is 1. So basically that's why I chose this number 2a to the power 4. So that I can get the property.
Okay, so
Understood, guys? Abigail didn't understand anything. Please ask me.
I understood, sir.
Shalom, everyone understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, Rahul, everyone understood?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Okay. Okay. So now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I just wrote a plus b whole square. Did you understand? Abigail?
Yes, sir, I understood, sir.
Okay. So now A is equals to A to the power 4, B is equals to 1. I just wrote it. Now again the next properties is there. Good question. Okay. So now it is again in the form of A square minus B square. Why? Because 49 contains 7 square and I split the power of 4 into 2 into 2. Did you understand, guys? Simeon, Edric, Aina.
Yes.
I just split the power of 4 into 2 into 2. So it becomes 7a square whole square like this. Now it is the form of a square minus b square, where a is equals to a to the power 4 plus 1 and b is equals to 7a square. So I just wrote into a plus b, a minus b, and then I solve. OMG.
Then sir,
Yes. Yes.
so 49a4 should be 7a the whole square.
7a square whole square. Because a4 becomes 2 into 2, no? So 7a square then whole square, like that.
Then sir, why did you write 7, 8 or 8 over there? 7, 8.
Where? Oh, it's not 8, it's 2. It's 2.
Sir,
Yes, please.
today can you please not give homework?
Why? What happened?
No, the thing is, I have another assignment. I haven't finished that, and I might have to submit that today. Plus, my mother is not well, so and we have to clear our house because we've not been keeping it very clean. So there will be a lot of work to do.
Okay. Because Abigail is saying we will give 15 questions. Okay, so today no homework. Try to do the question one more time. This same question exercise. Try to do it one more time. If you didn't understand, ask me. And then tomorrow we will have class. So till then, bye. We will have 4 minutes break. Then we will start our science class. Till then, bye Abigail. Bye Simran. Bye Shalom.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, sir.
1 second, I'm still copying.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Hardik, sir.
Yes.
Sir, tomorrow I have my maths practical, sir. How can you explain like how does math have practical or something? Like how do I prepare for it?
How many experiments you did?
Experiments, sir.
Yeah. So you write it down the experiment, na? How many
Oh,
experiments you wrote?
sir, for home science and science I had 10 each.
No, not home science. You did with the math book also, no? Notes.
I'll start on the maths book.
So you like in the same way you did with the science and home science, na? You have to write 10 experiments, okay? And out of that 2 experiments, you just learn it. So as I told you before, also different study centers have different point of view to take the thing.
Yeah,
Did you
yeah,
understand?
yeah. But then it's
Yeah.
in the maths lab manual. It's not exactly like experiments, no, sir. So like what I'm kind of confused how to write it.
Means the values are not given.
1 second. I'll after class I'll just send you, sir.
Yeah. After class. Yeah. And then,
Sir,
yeah.
I have one more doubt. Will we do it tomorrow?
Yes, we will do tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, bye. Bye, Simeon. Bye.
So NIOS has practical for maths.
Yes.
Like
That's
that.
why when your exams will come, you have to contact with your study center. I am telling you again and again. Practicals is not from NIOS, it is from your study center. So when you will have your exam time, like you will give in 2026, na?
Yeah.
So from January itself, if your study center is very good, then they will contact you for the practicals. They will train you for the practicals also. But if your study center is not good, you have to go and you have to consult with them. Like you have to talk to them. What are the like how we will do? It's practical for now. So did you enroll for the NIOS?
No, sir, it's not come out yet, right?
So what's your age right now?
I'm 13. I'm turning 14 in August.
August. Na? So in August, when you're enrolling for the study center, please take reviews of that. For example, where are you? In Mumbai, na?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. So Bangalore. Hannah is in my Bangalore. Hmm. Who is in Bangalore? I guess Jerusha, Jahoan. No, Johan. Yeah, I'll let you know. The good study center if there's some known to me, and you also find it out. Like it should be near to your house, as well as it should have good reviews. Like they are good uh, information giver, because some of the study center they didn't give information.
Okay, sir.
So you have to choose that study center carefully in August.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now there is no relaxed time on everyone come back.
So I had one more question. I don't know if you know, but I'm taking like if I have to do PCMB for 11th and 12th, will they allow for now in NIOS it's like combined science, right? It's not separate like chemistry, physics, biology. Will they still allow?
Yeah, they will allow you. For 11th, if you want to choose for the PCMP, I guess they will allow you. For you can choose biology, you can choose physics, chemistry, maths, okay, and one more English as a subject. So you can do that thing. We'll take I uh, will search it for this also, but I guess they will allow you.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Edric, Vidya, Joshua, Sam, everyone to the camera. Let's start the class. So yesterday we learned about the balanced and unbalanced force. Okay. Now today we will learn about the new force called as inertia. What is called as inertia? Okay. Now listen, guys. Okay. Now listen, guys. Guys, please pay attention. Okay. Now, for example, inertia we can understand it like that. Tendency of just give me a second. I'm so sorry, one call came. So what I'm trying to say that inertia. Inertia is a tendency of object to resist the motion. For example, see guys, this is bottle in front of me. Okay, I can move this bottle with my single hand. Okay, with my single hand. Did you understand, guys? This is called as normal thing. But can I move this cupboard with a single hand? Can I move Can I move this cupboard with my single hand? Is it true?
Impossible.
No, impossible. Until unless I'm not a Superman. So basically, what was I'm trying to say? The thing is, why I'm not able to move the cupboard with my single hand and I'm able to move bottle with my single hand. Do you have any idea of that?
Because you don't have much, because you don't use that much force. You need like so much force. Like you need to be the strongest man in the world if you want to do that.
Yeah, why I need so much force? That's the main question.
And because the
In
Sir,
Sir, because the mass is so much. The mass of the cupboard is so much. Huge.
Okay. Yes, I was saying something. Yes.
No, I was saying I'm gonna say the same thing. Like the weight of the cupboard is more than of the bottle.
Yes, the weight of a cupboard is more than a bottle. So it means that if it has more mass, it means that he is more don't want to move. If I am pushing with my single hand, it should move now, but it is not moving because it has more mass. So more mass is equals to more inertia. Inertia is the property of an object to resist the motion. Inertia is the property of an object to resist the motion. So cupboard is resisting the motion because it has more mass. Did you understand what I'm trying to say, guys? We'll take one more example. We'll take one more example. Like I can move this pencil box, okay, but I can't move this car like this. A proper car. No. Why? Because car has more mass, it has more inertia. Okay, for example, some Papa is driving a car. Okay, now Papa just started the car. So where we used to go in a backward direction like that. When Papa start the car, when riding is going on, so when he took the first gear, and when car starts, so we our body will go in backward direction. Why? Because right now, the normal car is when car is at rest, we were at stationary position. But when car starts to move, our lower body is with the car. So it starts. But the upper body is at rest. Okay. And it will resist the motion. That's why we are going in backward direction. Guys, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? One more example we will take. For example, now Papa is riding a car, but accidentally some animal came, which happens a lot to me. But accidentally, some animal came and Papa just put a brake pedal. Then what will happen?
I mean, the
We will
car
go,
will just
we will go
stop.
like this. We will go like car will stop, but what happened to us? We will go like this. Then he'll say, Papa, what are you doing? Why we
Sir,
are going in forward direction?
sir,
Yes, just let me complete. Why we are going in forward direction? We are going in forward direction because with the car we were at motion. Okay, with the car we were in motion. But when the car stopped suddenly, then what happened? Our lower body got stopped, but upper body is still in motion, and it is resisting the stop, and that's why we are moving in forward direction. Did you understand, guys? Yes, Edric, you're saying something.
sir, sir, when we apply the brakes when the car is going so fast, we could even get out of the car.
Yes, we can get out of the car because inertia is resisting the change in motion. If it is at rest, it won't allow you to move. If you are moving, it won't allow you to stop. And the third is inertia of direction. If Papa is taking curve like this, so we are going this like whoo. If Papa take curve like this, we're going like whoo. Because when the car is a straight position, straight line, we are also at straight line. But suddenly change of the direction, we will move in this direction or in this direction. Understood? So inertia is the property of a object to resist the motion if it is at stationary position. Did you understand, guys? Ira, Joshua, Sam, Jashron.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you read this?
Yes,
And
sir.
this part. Edric, please read this.
Newton's laws of motion. 10.3.1. Inertia. You would have seen that whenever we take the branches of a tree vigorously, the leaves and fruits get detached. Similarly, when you beat a carpet with a stick, you will see that the dust particles get detached from the carpet. Do you know why? The answer to all such questions is inertia. What is inertia? We can understand the property of inertia by doing a simple activity.
Don't read the activity, just read this. Quickly read it.
Thus, we can say that the inertia is a tendency of objects to stay at rest or to keep moving at the same velocity. You can find out some more examples of inertia from your daily life. In fact, it's the inertia due to which a sprinter keeps running for some time even after crossing the finish line. Similarly, you would have noticed that it is difficult to take out the tomato sauce from a bottle by just inverting it. However, it is easy to take out the sauce from the bottle by giving a sudden jerk to it. By moving the bottle in the downward direction, the sauce comes in motion. When the bottle stops suddenly, the sauce remains in motion due to inertia of motion and comes out of the bottle.
Okay, so I will show you one video, okay, to help you more about learning of inertia. Just give me a second. Okay, so we will now listen, guys. So you can see there is dust particle on the racket. Yes, is it there or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll see what will happen.
Okay, okay,
The
okay.
ball, now the ball just hitting the racket. Okay, you can see that the ball is coming and it will hit the racket. Now, when the ball will hit the racket, there is movement in the racket. Okay, so you can see that. Please see. Now you can see the racket goes in downward direction. Can you see that? The racket is going in the downward direction. Can you see that? The ball is going in upward direction. But some dirt is remain at the same position. Why? Because of the inertia. Inertia is not allowing dust particle to move upward or downward direction because it's a tendency of an object or on a matter to resist the motion. That's why you can see that the sand is at same position. It's not moving downward or it's not moving upward till some instant time only. Okay, it's not for every day. Okay, it's not for a long time. It's just for a fraction of second. That fraction of second is because of inertia. Did you understand, guys? No.
So, sir, because the dust particles are lighter than the racket, so that's why the dust particles go up because they're lighter and the racket goes down because the racket is heavier.
Yeah. No. Basically, the dust particle is basically here the inertia property is working. Okay, here inertia property is working by because the dust particle will remain at rest position where they were. You can see that, like if I will just
Go back.
see, can you see that? For an instant, they will remain in this position. You can see that. See, when now ball is hitting, you can see that, yeah, now they are going in downward direction. So for an instant, when they were in a stationary position, even the ball hit, even the racket went down, they were at stationary position for an instant is because of inertia. Did you listen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Everyone, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me, so you can. So this is called as what? Inertia. Yeah. You read this. Who was reading? Uh, yeah. Ira, can you read this?
Inertia and mass. By now you have learned that due to inertia, an object often offer resistance to change its state of motion. Do all objects have the same inertia? Let us find out. Push an empty box on a smooth surface. Now try to push a similar box full of books on the same surface. What do you find? Why is it easier to push an empty box than a box full of books? Now suppose you have asked to stop a table tennis ball and a cricket ball moving with the same velocity. On which ball you are supposed to apply more force to stop it? You will find that cricket ball requires more force to stop as compared to a table tennis ball.
Yeah.
Thus,
Yes.
Thus, all objects do not resist a change in their state of rest or motion equally. Massive objects resist more than lighter ones. What do you conclude from these observations? We can say that mass is a measure of inertia.
Yeah, this is very important. Very important line. They can ask you in MCQs also. But the most important thing is that massive object can resist more than lighter ones. You can conclude that the mass is the measure of inertia. If it has more mass, then it will have more inertia. If it has less mass, then it will have less inertia. I agree. Will you listen better? Satya, Joshua, Sam. Okay. So now we will learn about the Newton's first law. First law of Newton. Listen now. Newton's first law says until and unless an unbalanced force is applied on an object, it will not. I will repeat it again. For example, this is a box. Right now, there is a balance force. That's why it's not moving. We learned about balance force. Balance force is the force which is applied on an object which is not able to move an object. What is first law of Newton says that until and unless an unbalanced force, right now I'm putting an unbalanced force. So until and unless an unbalanced force is not applied on an object, it will not move. This is the first law. Did you listen, guys?
Yes,
For
sir.
example, it is moving. It is still moving. So what I will do, I will put an unbalanced force to stop. If it is stop, it is stationary position, I will put an unbalanced force to move. So basically, what is Newton's first law is trying to say that until and unless an unbalanced force is not applied to an object, it will not move. So can you read this? This is important. Please, you have to memorize this line. So can you read this, Betya?
From
Read
where?
this part.
Can you make it a little big?
Yeah, this part.
Everybody continues Everybody continues in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line until unless it is compelled by some unbalanced force to change that state. Newton's first law of motion tells us that all bodies resist a
Yes.
change in their.
Listen, until unless an unbalanced force is not applied, it will remain in rest, or it will remain in motion. Understood, Edric, Joshua, Sam? You need an unbalanced force to move an object if it is a stationary position, or to stop an object if it is a uniform running motion. Did you understand, Jahovan, Jashran? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Read this one more time.
Newton's first law of motion tells us that all bodies resist a change in their state of motion. We know that this property of bodies is called inertia. That's why Newton's first law of motion is also known as the law of inertia.
they can ask you in MCQs what is law of inertia. Law of inertia is basically the first law of Newton. Okay, so if for example, if I want to move an Almira, so Almira we learned that it has more inertia, so I need more unbalanced force to move it. Did you understand? No, you didn't understand. I'm repeating again. If you want to move an Almira, you need more unbalanced force. Why? Because it has more inertia. So unbalanced force is also depends on an object. Which object you are moving? If you're moving a bottle, I need a little unbalanced force. But if you're moving a house, I need a Superman power, Superman force to move a house. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, the first law of motion applicable in all day-to-day life. Like for example, I told you if Papa drive a car, so we'll move in a backward direction. If Papa stop a car suddenly, we move in forward direction. If Papa took you, then we go you like that. So this is all first law of motion example. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay, so we'll read this. So I'll, Jahuan, can you read this, please? This thing, first law.
Oh, Mr. Okay. First of motion, many applications in our daily life. Why do passengers standing in a bus fall back in the backwards direction when the stationary bus begins to move suddenly? This observation can be explained on the basis of first mode. If passengers contact the bus, when the bus starts suddenly, start with the moving bus. But for car passengers, try to remain at rest in your hands to fall backwards. What happens when the moving bus stops suddenly? In this case, standing in the forward direction. Can you think of the reason or on the basis of recommendation and the effects?
Uh-huh. Yeah. So now you should be able to explain why dust particles get detached from the carpet when it is beaten with a stick. Okay, so we have these answers and we learn it from the video also that the dust particle will remain in the form of stationary state because sudden change, sudden unbalanced force is applied on it because of the inertia. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Ira, did you understand?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, so we'll stop here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Okay. Tayo.
Sayonara.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, sir.